Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos. First, select a sturdy bag of tortilla chips as your base. Next, choose your favorite cheese like a sharp cheddar or a Monterey Jack for that perfect melt. Don't forget your protein, perhaps seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken and some fresh veggies. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get those ingredients prepped. If you're using ground beef, cook it thoroughly and drain any excess fat. For chicken, shred it into bite-sized pieces. Chop your onions and bell peppers finely so they cook evenly and blend well with the other flavors. Grating your own cheese ensures a superior melt and avoids anti-caking agents found in pre-shredded varieties. This step is crucial for maximum flavor. Time to assemble our masterpiece. Arrange a generous layer of tortilla chips on a large baking sheet. Don't overcrowd them. A single layer works best for even baking. Sprinkle half of your seasoned meat, vegetables, and grated cheese over the chips. Repeat with another layer for maximum deliciousness. Pop it into your preheated oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Your incredible nachos are ready. Carefully remove them from the oven. Now for the fun part, garnishing. Add a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, some sliced jalapenos for a kick, and a generous dollop of sour cream or guacamole. Serve them right away while the cheese is still warm and gooey. They're perfect for sharing or keeping all to yourself. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.